Hey! Today we're going to make this dino card today. I'm so excited to show you how to make something simple and fast. So, let's get started. Hi, I'm Eileen Judd, your Stampin' UP demonstrator, and today we'll be using the Dino Days Stamp Set from the 2019-2020 annual catalog to make a fun, fast, easy card. It's a photopolymer stamp set, and I'm excited to show you how well it works and how fun it is to make all kinds of things. I hope I inspire you. So let's get started. First, we're going to stamp all the backgrounds using Call Me Clover ink. I don't remember if this is retired or not, but our colors very similar to this. You just go around 3 times. Not really a rhyme or reason to this, but make sure to go upside down, right side up, mix it up, whatever makes you feel fancy. Pretending like it's a tropical paradise for these dinosaurs. I actually designed the inside of the card with no sentiment so I could keep it versatile, so later on if for some reason I need a card for a boy's birthday, then I can just put happy birthday in it, or a thank you, a fun thank you, then I can do that too. So do the inside of your card however you like, but I did add some images inside just to tie it all in. I think I'll speed this up for you. Now we're on to the next step, the dinosaur. The dinosaur. Got the song from Blippi song stuck in my head, 'cause my son loves Blippi. Blippi. take the long neck dinosaur and just straight down, straight up. Now, I mean, for this you could use a stamp apparatus to do multiples. To be honest, I'm so used to doing multiples this way that I forget. Stamp apparatus allows you to do the stamp in the same place on the piece of cardstock over and over again, which is really nice. Spots. I'm just using the same color, Gorgeous Grape, and just layering them on. Now I'll close this up. Set that over here. In my chaos, I'm using Memento ink, one of my absolute faves. I'm going to grab the sentiment and add it in. You're awesome. You're awesome. Yep. Straight down, straight up. In assembly line style until you're done. Make sure you got the ink covered. I get so excited and want to do stuff quickly. Things tend to backfire. And if you've been wondering where I've been, I think it's been about a month since I've done any videos. It's because the summer started with my kiddos and I didn't have time to play with my new stamps, and then swimming lessons and the bathroom next to my craft room was getting the wall got torn out and had to be replaced by my landlord, which took 2 weeks to do, so a lot of things compounded on top of each other, and that's why you missed seeing me, so sorry about that. Now I'm going to take dimensionals and add it to the back of this card and add them to the base. So I'll spare you some of the details, but my suggestion to you, if you do this card, is to lay them out. I also realized I have an extra card. I must have miscounted. I think these dinosaurs would be great for Valentine's Day too, for school stuff. And the Stampin' Dimensionals. And here are the dinosaur layer onto the card. And just so you know, I think an added punch to this, if I really wanted to, I would have done gorgeous grape layers behind the dinosaur, just to give a little step up the card just a little bit more. But you know, sometimes less is more, and when I get stressed out because I have anxiety issues, simple cards are easy and less stressful on me. If I do more complicated cards and I'm already having high anxiety, I tend to explode. And I'll just rather crawl into a hole than do anything. And I love crafting, and the opportunity to share my love of crafting with you, and it's also my me time, because I creating things is just a complete relaxing outlet for me. So that's why these cards are extra simple. But I'd love for you to put in the comments below, how would you step up this card? What would you add to this card to give it more pow? So, one of the reasons why I got this stamp set is because my son absolutely loves dinosaurs, animals, and cars, and I hope to do some fun stuff with this. Now I'm going to add that little pow to the inside of the card that I was telling you about earlier, using the Call Me Clover ink again, and the pom prawn. You can even add some spots, and I just stamped a little bit in the corner. Do whatever you want to do, but I think it adds a little bit more, sort of like a professional, well, I wouldn't say professional, that's the right word, those machine made cards. Because homemade cards are better than machine cards. They mean more. There you have it. In all, I made 8 cards. And also, I wanted to point out to you the difference in this. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, I add the crystal effects to this card. Stampin' Up's fine tip glue pen. It does sort of make the color bleed a little bit, so if you want to do this, be careful. It's pretty fun. It also lightens up the color so it doesn't look like the gorgeous grape, because that is gorgeous grape. I used that over that And I did do spots, and so be forewarned that the spots just, they bled, and so you can't tell. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it inspires you to keep it simple and craft something simple just to get your craft mojo on and to relax. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye.